Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power locks, windows, mirrors here. Four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate controls. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.